1996 Ford Mustang Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, a little over 100,000 on this particular convertible. 3.8 liter V6 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see paint shows well on that. It's actually laser red E9 paint code. Hood pins have been added, as well as a, let's call that a faux hood scoop. Looks like a hood scoop, but maybe it's not really an active hood scoop. All right, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Appears to be riding on stock 2005 or 2006 Mustang rims and Pirelli radial tires. Now, as far as the paint goes, yeah, it shows its age in a few spots, a little touch up here or there. But overall, it has a nice shine to it. This is one of those cars, you know what, you want to have some fun in the summer. Put the top down without breaking the bank. Here you go. Priced very reasonable. Fun summer car. Has what I'm going to call the soft speedster package, where it covers up the rear seat. Fits like a convertible top cover, but then continues on down to cover up that second row seating area. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see it. I pictured it up both ways, so you can still ride 4 passengers in here quite easily. There's an automatic aftermarket stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I will also show you the top functioning, going up and down. So power top, black vinyl top. Technician noted does have dual exhaust with catalytic converters on this one, as well as mufflers. Brakes are 35% in the front, 35% in the rear. They will need a little bit of attention down the road somewhere, but right now, not a problem. Get in it and go. Jason's actually going to take it for a drive at the end of the video too. If you want to see how this car drives out, and once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs in general, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. A little bit of a dinger in that front driver's fender. I think there was a couple scuffs down here, but you got to remember, this car is what? I'm up on 30 years old now, a little over 100,000 miles. I'd say this thing's pretty well taken care of, in nice shape. Like I said, won't break the bank. Have some summer fun with the top down. Door panel. Looks good, of course, your modern amenities. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the seating surface. Fabric, doesn't show much wear. So gray cloth interior. Of course, cruise control tilt column. Aftermarket stereo is working. And I mentioned earlier, AC blows cold. There's the exact miles, 1,228. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Fire it up. All right, so you can see gauges are working. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. Stereo system.
Okay, I have
good sounding stereo.
I was just looking on eBay, where I go for all kinds of things I love.
Clock working on the dash. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back, so you can hear this run. A little bit of a rumble coming out of that 3.8 liter V6. All right, I'm going to pull these hood pins out so we can check out this engine bay. So I need to get those out first, then we'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay. We'll check out that convertible top and how it functions, condition of it, and then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Stick around to the very end. underside of the hood, and engine bay. Like we do have a newer Duracell battery in here. There it is. 3.8 liter power. It's like pretty stock engine bay. Running smooth. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. All right. Let's move along to get that convertible top cover out of the back. Let's get this convertible top up. Check out the condition. And here's the convertible top up. Let's take a look above the windshield. Latches nicely, nice tight fit. Side glass also rolled up so you can see that fits nice and tight in there. Some just very small wear spots. A little tiny one right there, here. This is a black vinyl. A little bit of a spot down here. Glass rear window, electric rear defog, and then over here on the passenger side, again, just kind of some real tiny, just little wear spots. I don't think it's gonna keep you from staying dry or out of the sun if you need to put it up on an afternoon. It won't affect the performance of that convertible top at all. And side glass over here on the passenger side. Nice fit as well. All right, I will show you the functioning top going back down into the storage area. Stick around a little longer. Jason will take it for a drive also. 1996 Ford Mustang convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics are. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1996 Ford Mustang convertible in red with a gray and black interior, looking good. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Runs the way it should, very smooth. A little bit of rumble out the back as a Mustang should have. Turn signal indicators are working. Our tachometer and speedometer also working. Fuel gauge reads almost a full tank. The battery is charging over halfway on the gauge, and the oil pressure is also over halfway. If you see the steering wheel moving just a little bit, that may be from a flat spot in the tire from sitting. I feel like it might be going away as we speak. The temperature gauge, about a quarter of the way up from cold. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash. The blower motor's working. Blowing a little heat this morning on a cool warning in Minnesota. Nice, quiet ride. There's really not much wind noise from that convertible top. Cloth bucket seats in this car. Power windows. Maybe slight pulsation in the brakes, but the braking is smooth and works well. Corners the way a sporty car like a Mustang should. Pretty flat in the corners. Feeling very stock. Not overly loud, but for that radio, it does seem mostly original from the factory. And there's also a wood scoop on the hood. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.